This is how to cash out your JumpTask to PayPal. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can easily cash out your JumpTask to PayPal. As of the time of this video, it is not possible for you to link your PayPal to your JumpTask profile, but you can cash out using PayPal P2P method. For you to cash out this amount from JumpTask to PayPal, you click here. You click payout. Before you can proceed in this video, you must have linked your wallet either through your exchange or any crypto wallet. You can use any trusted wallet of your choice. For you to learn how to link your JumpTask to any wallet or exchange of your choice, a video will come out here. Watch this video. You can watch it later. After you must have linked your crypto wallet, you click payout. Immediately you click payout, before you know it, this money will go to your wallet. Suppose you use MetaMask wallet. We assume that your money is here already. The next step to send your funds from JumpTask to your PayPal account is to move the money to a platform called AirTM. AirTM is a great payment platform. So to learn how to do that, watch this video. It will take you through live demo of how I transfer my funds from MetaMask wallet to AirTM step by step. Firstly, for you to sign up to AirTM, ensure you use my link, which is below the description of this video. If you use that link, AirTM will give you a gift of $3 as a sign up bonus. Suppose this is your JumpTask fund that was sent to MetaMask and it has been transferred successfully from MetaMask to AirTM. Let's assume this is the money. So as soon as the money gets here, to get this money to your PayPal, you just tap withdraw. Don't forget, we are sending this money to your PayPal now. Come here, look at it, search payment method. You click search payment method. If you see now there's no PayPal here, but you come here, you can search for PayPal. You can now type PayPal. You can see this is PayPal. So you have two options. If the amount you want to transfer out of AirTM to your PayPal account is more than $15, that's when you use the first option. If the amount you want to transfer from AirTM to PayPal is less than $15, that's when you use this option. Look at it, PayPal balance $15 or less. Because the amount we assume that I'm sending is $8 plus, this is the option you choose. You tap this place. All you just do, look at it, balance. All you just do is to tap this amount. You type the amount, $8. You just click continue. If you are transferring $8 from AirTM to PayPal, this is what you get inside your PayPal account. Look at it, you will receive 7.84. The transaction fee is so low, which is very good. You just click continue. For you to know step by step of how to do this, because I did a real demo video, all you need to do is to watch this video, and this video will take you through step by step of how to transfer seamlessly from AirTM to PayPal. So this is one method I know you can use to cash out your JumpTask to your PayPal account. It is very fast and it is very cheap. Please, if you know another method, I will love to know. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop your comments, and I promise to get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.